DHA Multan is a beacon of prosperity, moving ahead as a benchmark for real estate projects. This project presents various employment opportunities in southern Punjab and Multan. DHA Multan is now an engine of eco-growth and construction industry in southern Punjab, including cement, steel, plastic and 36 different segments of the construction industry. More than 25,000 contractors, builders, building material suppliers and laborers are engaged in the project directly and indirectly, setting the landscape of prosperous nation with a rapidly developing and growing infrastructure. The project presents burgeoning growth not only in real estate and financial sector but also in leisure and tourism. With security like no other, the Deluxe Housing Society brings safety, luxury and nature together. The orchard spread over a vast area of land, providing healthier lifestyle. DHA Multan is not only sustaining the environment through its mango orchards, but also through plantation and nursery, parks entrance, site office, dealers enclave, and all the sectors. A large number of trees and the plants are being planted within the DHA Phase 1. Mango orchards boast variety of trees namely Chonsa, Dussehri, Anwar Ratol, Langda and Sindri. While other forms of the trees are being planted throughout the project, including date palm, peepal, bohar, moringa, cassia. This makes the project an ultimate spot for investment with a myriad of economic advancement in Multan, especially the construction and real estate industry. Pakistan Square will be a landmark in connecting motorway, national highway to DHA Multan. The project's high regard for preserving the environment is reflected through its mango plantation and preservation. From unique zoo to commercial plazas, DHA Multan provides amplified recreation and premium shopping experience to all. Its aesthetically developed arena, event complex, and dancing fountain are also a great source of entertainment and leisure for the community. DHA Multan is a thriving housing community with luxurious residences and prospering commercial hub to support your elite lifestyle.